In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide recent activity on your Vimeo profile. If you want a quieter presence on Vimeo or simply don't want others browsing your profile and activity feed, this quick setting is the cleanest way to keep things private without changing your entire account. Here's the idea. Your Vimeo profile page typically shows things like what you've uploaded, liked, or followed, and it can act as a public hub for your presence. When you turn off public visibility, that profile page and its recent activity are no longer viewable by others. Your account still works exactly the same for you. You're just removing the public-facing profile page. To do this, from your Vimeo account, head to Settings, then choose Profile and open the General section. In General, look for the option that controls the visibility of your profile page. Toggle off the visibility of your profile page. That's the switch that hides your profile and recent activity from public view. Once you turn that off, your profile page won't be accessible to other people. This doesn't delete anything, and it doesn't alter your uploads. It simply prevents visitors from seeing your profile and the activity feed attached to it. You can still upload videos, share links, and manage your content exactly as before. A quick note on what this does not change. Video level privacy. Each video's visibility settings still apply. If a video is public, it remains public and viewable wherever it's embedded or shared. If a video is unlisted or password protected, those settings remain in effect. Hiding your profile only affects the profile page and its activity display, not the visibility of individual videos. If you're previewing your profile in another tab, give it a moment after you toggle the setting, then refresh to see the change take effect. And if you ever want to make your profile public again, just return to the same place, Settings, Profile, General, and toggle the profile page visibility back on. To recap in plain terms, go to Settings, then Profile, then General, and toggle off the visibility of your profile page. That one switch hides your public profile and the recent activity shown there, while leaving your videos and your workflow untouched. That's all you need to keep your Vimeo presence low profile and your activity private. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to follow along for more straightforward privacy and account control tips.